Doing laundry, a practical skill that not only keeps your clothes clean, but also ensures they last longer. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to master the laundry game. Step 1, sorting your laundry. Start by separating your clothes into different piles based on color and fabric type. The choreography includes whites, lights, and darks. This dance prevents color mishaps and ensures a stellar performance in the wash. Step 2, reading care labels. Take a moment to decipher the care label on your clothes. These labels are your script for the washing adventure. Pay attention to temperature cues, recommended detergent, and any other special requirements for your garments. Step 3, preparing the washing machine. Washing machine stage for any forgotten props from the past shows. Clear the lint and debris, ensuring a pristine set. Next, the grand entrance of detergent. Follow the choreography on the packaging and measure the perfect amount of detergent to grace the machine's drum. Step 4, loading the clothes. Begin the first act, your chosen laundry pile. Gently arrange the clothes in the stage of the washing machine. Remember, too many actors can lead to a lackluster performance, so avoid overloading. Step 5, choosing the settings. It's time for your temperature duo. Select the water's mood, cold, warm, or hot, according to your script's demands and your personal flair. Then, the cycle waltz. Choose the style, normal, delicate, or heavy duty to match your laundry's choreography. Align this with your actor's preference for a harmonious blend. Step 6, starting the show. Close the curtains, hit the start button, and let the show begin. The washing machine takes center stage, cleansing your wardrobe ensemble with expertise. Step 7, drying or hang drying. After the washing act concludes, retrieve your ensemble from the washing machine's timeline. Opting for a dryer finale, follow your script's guidance. Check the care labels to ensure your garments are dryer compatible. Set the scene, add a dryer sheet, and let the performance commence. For the graceful air ballet, prepare for hang drying. Sort and drape your clothes on hangers, a clothesline, or a drying rack, allowing each piece to showcase its beauty. Step 8, folding or hanging. Here follows, fold or hang each piece with precision. Create a symphony of organized clothes, maintaining their pristine form for the next performance. Step 9, putting away your laundry. It's time for the cast reunion. Return each garment to its rightful place, closet, drawer, or shelf, restoring order and harmony into your living space. Bravo! You've successfully directed your laundry masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each act, you'll become a laundry virtuoso. And don't forget, always refer to the care labels for cues, and you'll be a laundry maestro in no time.